Vaccine. The whole world is looking for a vaccine, my dear friends. Well, I got one. Not for corona, but a vaccine which can improve your emotional immunity. Yes, you heard it right. A vaccine which can improve your emotional, psychological, and mental immunity. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, namaste. My name is MVN Kashyap. I'm a life coach. What could be that vaccine to improve our emotional immunity? Well, to know that, you must listen to this story. The story of a pearl formation. A very well-known story. How does a pearl form? Any foreign substance enter into oyster shell, it can become a pearl. Well, the science behind it is, whenever any foreign substance, let it be a dust particle, sand particle, when it enters into an oyster's shell, it irritates the oyster. Literally irritates it. Now, to overcome this irritation, oyster produces one chemical. It's called calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Now, this chemical goes and covers this irritant substance. Now, this is a continuous process. As days progresses, now this chemical substance becomes a strong substance. In later time, the same thing will become a beautiful pearl. Now, my question is, if there is no irritating substance, will oyster produce a pearl? Answer is no. That means the reason behind this beautiful pearl is one irritation. Think about it, friends. No irritant substance, no irritation, no CaCO3, no pearl. So irritation is the reason behind this beautiful pearl formation. Now, in our regular life, what is that one thing which irritates us, creates stress, tension, lot of emotional drama and trauma? What could be that? Well, that is problem. Friends, when we get into a problematic state, we lose our emotional balance. It creates stress, tension, anger, whatnot. But the same problem can increase your emotional immunity. Just like that irritant created this pearl. How does vaccine increases immunity? Now, vaccine produces antibodies. They improve the immunity, right? These problems, they develop qualities in us, in our mind. Those qualities which can help us to face difficulties in the future, which can help us to solve many more problems. My dear friends, problems, they give you qualities to develop. Don't run away from it. Look at this statement. Don't run away from problems. They can show you a way. Look at it again. Don't run away. They can show you a way. I'll give you an example how they can show you a way. Enough of theory. Let's get into practical. You can do this activity while you're listening to me. I'm sure you would have at least solved one problem in your life. Think about that one problem. Think about that one problem which you have solved. Now, what is that one quality of yours helped you to solve that problem? Analyze. What is that one quality of yours helped you to solve that problem? Analyze. Write it down. If you get one quality, look for two. If you get two qualities, look for three. We need minimum 3 qualities. If you're not getting from one problem, think about one more problem and look for one more quality. That quality which helped you to solve that particular problem. I'll give you an example. I was doing this activity with managing directors of a company. When I said do this, one MD said, Kashyap, I solved recently one problem, but I didn't do much. I just asked my friend to help me and he helped me to solve that problem. I said that itself is a big quality. You are asking your friend to help you. Problem is a crisis situation, right? You are in a different state of mind. In that crisis situation, in that state of mind, now you got an idea to contact exactly the right person who can give you the solution. Isn't it a great quality? So he wrote, asking for help. That itself is a quality. So think about that quality which help you to solve your problem. Get 3 qualities. Got it? Now friends, these are the 3 qualities which helped you to solve a problem in your past. Now the best part is these qualities are in you. You didn't borrow it from anyone. You didn't buy it from Amazon. These qualities are in you. Now how did they develop? Probably you faced difficult situations before, or you saw people facing difficult situation and your mind developed these qualities. Mind has beautiful power to do this. That's a different science anyway. My dear friends, problems can develop wonderful qualities within us. Don't run away. They can show you a way. If you go to a gym, you do biceps, triceps, you use dumbbells. What they do, they build muscles. To solve a problem, we need few thinking muscles. Critical thinking, creative thinking, tangential thinking, lateral thinking. There are so many. Now these muscles are not visible, but these are the tools which help us to create a solution. Now problems are like those dumbbells which will exercise these muscles. Ladies and gentlemen, imagining a life, expecting a life without problem is impractical. It's literally impractical. So use this technique. Don't run away from problems. They can show you a way. Now, in the future, I will come up with more videos about problem solving, how to face difficult situation related to all these topics. My request to all of you is to suggest me, ask me at least one specific topic, what you want me to talk about. Leave that comment, describe that topic in the comment section. You describe your problem, we describe solutions. So you describe, we prescribe. My dear friends, subscribe to my channel. So stay at home, stay connected with your family, and more importantly, stay connected with yourself.